Welcome. In this video, I'm going to take a time out to look at how to remove WordPress installation from your domain or your subdomain, which is a directory under your main domain. And the process is not difficult. The first thing we should understand or we should note is that WordPress is a PHP script, and WordPress will always go with a database. So there are two files or there are two documents that we need to look at. The first is the PHP scripts and the second one is the database. So there are two ways to it. You can actually remove both at the same time by just coming to your installer, that is under your software you see Subtaculous app installer, or you can actually go downward, you will see WordPress under Subtaculous app installer. Then this I'm using cPanel. There is the same process even if I'm using WebHosting, which is another admin panel for server, Linux server management. So I just click on WordPress. So once I click on WordPress, WordPress will tell me the version, will tell me everything about this server, the available space on my server, and the requirements for installing WordPress. So it means I can install I can still install so many WordPress within this server. So many people are underutilizing their server, and that is as a result of they don't know what they should do or they don't know how to do it. And that is why we are coming in to give them the information, give them the support so that they can really get the maximum utility of their server environment. And in this case, I want to remove this installed directory. I installed this web guide under modulevertical.com domain. So there are two ways to it. Like I explained, you can actually come to your details and see your database information, and that means that I have to consider removing this database because this database is automatically created by WordPress installation in the first instance, and removing it would really make the removal of this solution complete. So that is 368. Let me go back. There's another way where you click on this icon. If I click remove, it's going to remove this PHP script. I have to still go to database to confirm that it is removed totally. But if I click on this icon and I come to this option, I can say remove completely. When we say remove completely, you are referring that remove this PHP script and the database. When you say remove from Subtaculous, you are just referring to these scripts. You still need to go and remove. So I would prefer remove completely, and I click go. And it means it's going to all these options. So I have to click yes, I want to remove this completely, and the remover is going has been removed. Your page can now be reloaded. So good. So it has been removed. For us to confirm that it has been removed, we can easily go to the database and confirm what we have on my database. Yes, there is the third option is not there, which is 368. So if I had removed initially the way I wanted to remove, I have to come here to come and click remove then, and that is very, very important. So having done this, I've been able to show you how to remove a domain from a domain and add subdomain from, like in these concepts I have option. Yes, this is one of the reasons why I always talk about share hosting and having a VPS server. When you are using share hosting, you have limitations to so many things. So you have limitations to some of the features. Or it's okay if you are starting, and to start I actually use eUkHost. The link will be in the description for shared hosting, eUkHost. And let me just leave that. If you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing. You just need to subscribe and turn on the notification button. I upload videos on web-based marketing solution. I have tons of videos on Facebook ads. I upload videos on a weekly basis. So then I also upload videos based on what people are asking, and in order to explain to them how they can get it done. Thank you and God bless.